The Cognism Chrome extension is a powerful tool that allows you to find B2B contact information directly from your browser, making it easy to gather leads while browsing websites or LinkedIn profiles. Here's how to use it. Install the extension. Go to the Cognism Chrome extension page and click Add to Chrome to install it. Once installed, you will see the Cognism icon in your browser toolbar. Log in. Click the extension icon and log in with your Cognism account credentials to start using the tool. Find contact information. On LinkedIn, visit a LinkedIn profile and the extension will automatically display contact details of the person you're viewing if they are available in Cognism's database. On company websites, go to a company website and the extension will show you relevant contact information for people working at that company. Save leads. After viewing a lead's information, you can save it to your Cognism account or export the details to your CRM, email marketing tool, or lead list. Use lead lists. Export saved leads and use them for your outreach campaigns, ensuring more targeted, efficient lead generation.